Sales meetings play a crucial role in driving business growth and closing deals. However, their success often relies on a compelling sales pitch, clear objectives, and knowing your audience. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional or a novice, proper preparation is key to achieving desired outcomes. Here are 10 top tips to help you prepare for a successful sales meeting. Start by researching your prospect to gain a deeper understanding of their business, industry, pain points, and competitors. Utilize online resources, such as their website, social media profiles, and industry publications, to gather valuable insights. This knowledge will help you build rapport and gain their trust. Before the meeting, clearly define your objectives. What do you aim to achieve? Is it to close a deal, build rapport, or gather more information? Setting specific goals will help you stay focused and ensure that you make the most out of the meeting. Craft a compelling value proposition that highlights the unique benefits your product or service offers. How could it address your prospect's pain points and differentiate you from competitors? Having a well-prepared, concise, and persuasive message will grab your prospect's attention and set you apart from other sales professionals. Put yourself in your prospect's shoes and anticipate potential objections they may raise during the meeting. Prepare well-thought-out responses that address their concerns effectively. Think about variables you could offer, other than price, which are cheap for you and valuable to them. Remember, objections are a sign they are interested, so don't dread them. Embrace them. First impressions matter. Dress appropriately to convey your credibility and respect for the meeting. Arrive a few minutes early and be ready when your prospect arrives. Punctuality reflects your professionalism and shows that you value their time. Craft a list of thought-provoking questions to engage your prospect in meaningful conversation. These questions should help you uncover their pain points, goals, and expectations. Active listening and thoughtful questioning demonstrate your genuine interest and commitment to understanding their needs. What do you need to take with you? Laptop, USB stick, notes. Being well prepared means having a supply of the appropriate literature plus any equipment or sales aids that you will require to carry out the meeting successfully. Practice your questions beforehand to ensure you deliver them confidently. Familiarize yourself with any presentation materials, and rehearse responses to potential questions and objections. Practice will help you sound natural and authoritative during the meeting. The next part of preparation is to be positive about how you envisage the final outcome of your sales visit. Think success. Successful people often visualize a positive outcome before even meeting the customer. They are confident and expect to do well. Think positively and imagine yourself after the meeting is over, with a positive result. You will not always be successful, but thinking positively will make you successful more often. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more upcoming training videos.